Hey everyone, this is Mike here to help you solve some quick logarithmic equations. And we're going to start off with the simple equations like the log base 3 of x is equal to 4. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at that base. I'm going to say, alright, this is base 3. So I'm going to take and turn everything into an exponent base 3, 3 to some power. A little caret means to some power. So this is 3 to the log base 3 of x is equal to 3 to the 4th power. Now over in here, those reduce and we're left with just x. And then on the left hand side we've got 3 to the 4th power, which I happen to know is 81 because I do a whole bunch of these. If I don't, why, I just go ahead and I'd grab my calculator and say what's 3 to the 4th, and it would tell me 81. But of course, these are exponents, so they grow very quickly. On the right here, we've got the natural log of x is equal to 3. And remember, for a natural log, this is base e. So I'm going to take and I'm going to say e to the natural log of x is equal to e to the 3rd power. And as before, these are going to reduce down and I'll be left with just x, and x will be equal to e to the 3rd power, which isn't a rational number. So if I punch it into my calculator, what I'm going to get, e to the 3rd, is a decimal approximation. I'll keep the first 4 digits and I'll get 20.09 to 4 digits of precision. Okay, 2 more examples. The log base 4 of x plus 5 equals 3. I'm going to identify my base, 4. So I'm going to raise both sides to the 4th power, or give them a base of 4 and turn them into exponents. So 4 to the log base 4 of x plus 5, which reduces down to x plus 5, is equal to 4 cubed. So let's see here. 4, 16, 64. And then x is equal to 59. And if I didn't know this, I'd put it into the calculator. I'd have something like x plus 5 is equal to 64, so x plus 5 is equal to, not 64, 4 to the 3rd, right? And then I'd say x is equal to 4 to the 3rd minus 5, and then I'd grab my calculator and I'd do 4 to the 3rd minus 5 and get 59. And that's what we're going to end up doing with the solution to this expression or equation. Because take a look here, we've got a natural log, which means we're going to have base e. And since that's irrational, nothing we can do. But before we get there, take a look at what's happening outside of this logarithm. We've got plus 2, so we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. And we'll get 6 natural log of 2x is equal to 30. Why? That means we're going to have to divide by 6. So the natural log of 2x is going to be equal to 5. Next, let's identify our base right here. We said this is base e. So I'm going to raise both sides. Well, excuse me, give both sides a base e and turn them into exponents. I think that still counts as raising because now they're written up in superscript. These reduce. We're left with 2x, and 2x happens to be equal to e to the 5th power. So x is 1/2 of e to the 5th power, or e to the 5th divided by 2, however you wish to write that. And now it's calculator time. So 0.5 times e to the 5th, and to 4 digits, that is 74.21. So x is approximately 74.21, but it is exactly 1/2 e to the 5th. Okay, that'll do it for these questions. Join me next time where we will take a look at some more involved solutions. Bye.